I got food. Look at my food. This is pastelón. It's kind of like lasagna, but instead of noodles, gracias. Instead of noodles, you get plátanos majada, maduro, the sweet plantains, mashed, and you put meat inside. It has onions and mozzarella cheese. Look how pretty they made it. They put a new concrete in the middle. Actually, I think that's rosemary or basil or something. Not sure. Thank you with rice. And we had appetizers, and I'd love to tell you what they are, but I have no idea. I just know that this is fried cheese. This is like corn sticks. And these are empanadas.
Maíz frito.
Yeah, maíz frito. And I don't know what this is, but it's good. And of course our mojitos, which I drank most of mine. Mom hasn't touched hers because we're really hot and it's making us hotter. Ma, ¿te gusta?
It's good. Yeah. It's good.
Okay.
Provecho.